This is what I really do all day.
Yeah, you're usually on your cell phone though.
And
so.
no thanks, we don't care to carry that product.
What do you mean? It's the finest couches made in China. You don't want to carry them? No, I'm kidding.
Exactly.
Hi, my name is Scott Larson with Larson's Home Furnishings in Redwood Falls and Marshall. The only two remaining Larson's Home Furnishings out of probably about 10 back from day one, which is 1908 in Mobridge, South Dakota.
So anyway, when you're doing your wheelbarrow thing, go right down the path with it.
Well, that's what I've been doing, but you know.
All right.
My great-grandfather, Lars Larson, was a homesteader, and the train basically ended at the Missouri River. And so he got off with a suitcase and his new bride and said, okay, what do we do now? He had 9 children out on the farm, he and Hannah. I would say 6 or 7 of them went into the furniture business.
1806. In the book that we're quite proud of is the furniture store, Lars, and his wife, Hannah, with all the kids. And all these kids went into the furniture business at some point, in some regard.
And the rest is history. I don't normally do this. I'm the owner-operator of the last 2 Larson's furniture stores. It's just a pleasure to have worked with my father and grandfather in this business back in the early days. An absolute pleasure to have 3 generations in one store, and I just learned, watched, listened. My grandfather taught me how to push a broom, we taught us how to mop floors, wash windows, you name it, we did it. So I've been here 51 years after college, but probably 5 to 10 years before that even. So it's been a real legacy, real family deal. It's a family store, has been for a long time. Yep. And when I first came into the business, my dad said, when you really get into the business after a few years, I'll tell you what my father told me. And I said, wow, I'm waiting for that, you know. So about 15, 20 years later, said, so what's the key factor for the business? My dad said, well, I'll tell you what your grandfather told me. Don't screw it up. It has not been easy, however. We've gone through several world wars and other situations, and again, droughts and all kinds of things. My grandfather told my father years ago after World War II, he said, you can't just come into the business, you have to tough it out. We just purchased this new van. It's a delivery van. It's a hard-working van. We get a new van about every 8 to 10 years. We donate the other one to a community charity. In this case, our other one, our 2013 van, went to the Redwood Area Food Shelf, and that has Tiger Tough seats on it. And we said, would you like us to remove those because there are brand new seats underneath this van, our van covers. They said, no, leave them on because it's a working van for us. We're going to use them. We're going to use them hard. We always insist or do Tiger Tough seat covers on any new vehicle to preserve, number one. What I like is, number one, watch this. Notice the embroidering on here? We wanted to do a little something special for the delivery guys to, number one, show them, tell them we appreciate them, and this is one way we do it. And there's the logo right there. Very, very good. But when we got this new van, we wouldn't even let the guys drive it till we put on the Tiger Tough cushions, and they were like, when do we get to drive the new van? After the covers get put on. So we've got a 117-year-old business, and you need some guiding principles. And luckily I was able to work with my father and grandfather, like I stated, and the ethics of honesty, integrity, and we strive to treat every shopper with respect, dignity, and be flexible. And that's the key to a long business. And Lars Larson was flexible and adaptable. Back in the day, he not only made furniture, he made coffins, and it was Larson Undertaking and furniture. And it was pretty good. Then it became Larson Brothers as his sons got into the business. And I have that sign that was picked off of an old fence post out in South Dakota, brought in here by a customer saying, hey, I found this. This is back in probably in the 70s, early 70s. I found this nailed to a fence post. Thought you'd like it. Larson Brothers Undertaking. So it's real fun. I like that. I like that history.